Elon Musk is that guy at the cocktail party. You have no idea what he's going to do next. I think he's unpredictable, so a lot of investors...
Except make money. Welcome to Quartz Smart Investing. I'm Merrill Brown. Our guest today is Lou Bassanese, President and Chief Market Strategist at Public Ventures, LLC. Lou, thank you for joining us.
Great to be here, Merrill.
You're an enthusiastic follower of big tech, and while Meta is up almost 4 times over the past year, you're a skeptic, at least at this point. How do you view Meta and Threads?
Look, I've viewed Meta for a very long time as putting profits over principles. I mean, if you look at all the privacy problems Mark Zuckerberg has on his legacy, that's always concerned me about that, because you never knew where the next privacy problem was going to be. I think now that, it's a great ad business. I mean, if they would have just stuck to the ad business, 98% of revenues come from ads, and then he decides to have a marketing spin and pivot to the metaverse, losing $30 billion and counting on that expedition. It's really a deadiverse at this point. So, I hate to say it, it's an overused trope, but I think Meta, the thing for investors to look at is what has been driving the stock gains. It's up 170% year to date, which is phenomenal. So I can't sit here and cry and milk because I wasn't the one that owned it. I didn't buy it. That's not about that. It's really about...
It's not just about that.
It's not just about that. Yeah, that's all right. Yeah, that's fair. But if you look at it, it's been driven by multiple expansion. The stock was trading at 12, 13 times historical earnings going back a year ago, and now it's at 34, 35 times. So it's a 200% expansion in the multiple. On a forward basis, it's up 100% multiple expansion. So it's not profit growth that's driving the stock price appreciation, which over the long term is really what matters. Companies that consistently grow profits quarter over quarter, stock prices follow suit, and vice versa. If they're reporting declining earnings, the stocks usually head south as well.
So Threads?
Nothing burger? Dare I say that?
You've said that.
Yeah,
and you keep
and
saying
I'm going
it.
to keep saying that, and now I have the data to back me up. So a week into the launch, when it was just the new shiny object on social media, they had 100 million followers in 9 days or whatever it was. If you go 1 week forward, the levels of engagement, so you had daily active users dropped 50%, and then the time spent on the platform dropped 70%. So it was one of those things like, hey, this is new, let me check it out, and now I'm not coming back. So I think it's a good incremental add to their business. I think over time they'll figure out, just like they did with WhatsApp and Instagram, how to monetize it with advertising. But is it the next big social media platform a la TikTok? I'd be hard pressed to believe that, because it's just an old format.
And what of the competition with Threads?
Elon Musk is that guy at the cocktail party. You have no idea what he's going to do next. I think he's unpredictable, so a lot of investors...
Except make money.
Yeah, he does make money. That's true. You can't fault him, right? He started a now global automotive company in 10 years, right, and got it off the ground. I think it's a smart move by him, because as I said, Twitter's user base has been stagnant at about 300 million year over year for, 3-4 years. And in this world, you've got to evolve past that. It's not just social media. So by rebranding to X, he's opening up the door to get into other avenues like financial payments, commerce, which I think, he describes it, or other people have described it as an everything app. He wants to make it where we go to do everything: message, communicate in a town hall forum, buy goods, swap payments.
Next, Lou Bassanese on finding opportunities in small cap stocks.